Yes.
As early as 5 p.m. in the evening, many had gathered here and had joined in praise and worship, thanking God for safety and life in 2014 and praying that the new year they were about to usher in would be a blessing. All were praying for the nation, for themselves and their families, as well as other personal intentions. A minute to midnight, the countdown started with the digital clock, with the congregation looking on in anticipation. Pastor David Kiganda of Christian Focus Center Mengo Kisenyi, who was in the middle of the end of the year message, had to halt his preaching as it struck midnight, and the stadium went wild with revelers welcoming the new year. Fireworks lit up the sky as revelers shouted, hugged their friends and dear ones as they screamed, Happy New Year. Pastor David Kiganda then recommitted Uganda and his people to God in 2015.
We came to thank you for completing the year 2015, 2014, and he came again to welcome a new year of 2015. Father, it's more than welcoming a year. It's more than that. Your word says that the beginning of the word determines very much its ending. Your word says that your journey should always be rolled unto the Lord. Father, we believe that a year is a journey. These people, instead of going to bars, they decide to come before you. Instead of staying smoking pipes, they decide to come before you.
This was the 9th time Pastor Kiganda organized the end of the year prayers. Several artists performed songs of praise to the Almighty. Thembo, WBS, Nakivubo Stadium.